welcome to today's video. Today I am taking you into my bathroom. Now a few weeks ago I did a bathroom makeover showing you how I was decorating my bathroom using the things I already had, and it was pink and white themed and very girly and very simple with things that you probably already have in your home. Now I showed you ways to use your current products and things you use on a daily basis as decor, and I really like how that bathroom turned out. It was very simple, cost me nothing. I used everything I already had. But girl, we're gonna elevate. We're gonna go the extra mile. So you can see I'm sitting on this green couch. I've been really loving that deep, rich green. And so today I want to do an accent wall. I want to change things up. My whole house is very bohemian. If you guys saw my living room makeover, you can see kind of the color palette and the colors we're doing. Same thing is in my bedroom. I would really love to just have a cohesive look throughout my entire space, from living room, kitchen to bedroom, all the way to my bathroom. So instead of doing the pink and white, which is a little bit more youthful, there's nothing wrong with it, but I just want it to match the rest of my house. We're gonna redecorate. We are gonna do an accent wall, which I've never done an accent wall in a bathroom before, but I'm so excited. And that wall is gonna match my bedroom. We're gonna stain some wood to make it match the rest of the house. We're gonna change it up, get some new products. And I'm actually going to be using a lot of other things that I have in my house, but changing the color scheme and the look to be a little bit more sophisticated and obviously, as I've said 17 times, match the rest of my house. So if you'd like to see me redecorate my bathroom, keep on watching. All right, we're going to start off with another mood board. So I did the paint color that we're going to do the accent wall on the back, so you can see all of the other colors of everything else against that main big color, because that's going to be a big color in the room. I love this rug. I have it in my living room, and I actually got the runner for my bathroom, but it ended up being too long, so always measure first. But I just used it in my hallway, and instead I just got two smaller ones. And then I have the glass soap dispenser, the soap dispensers for my shower, my wood trash can, and I got these two towels to kind of play with the color in the rug. And then I thought I wanted to do an orange accent as well, but it ended up being too much, so I just kept it simple with white. I also have the prices of everything, so I know how much the whole room's gonna cost me, and then I have the links for everything as well. So that way, once everything looks good on the mood board, then I can just buy everything and have it delivered. I'm going to start off with some blue painter's tape, and I'm going to clear off everything from my countertop. I also had mirrors that came with the house that I removed, and then I started taping off the bottom. Also, I taped off behind the toilet because I didn't want to paint all the way behind it onto the floor. So I used a level to make sure the line was straight, and then I removed everything off my shelves. It was kind of a pain to put them up, so I didn't want to take them down, so I just cleared them off and painted around them. Then I moved on to taping off the other two walls and the ceiling because it's an accent wall and we're only painting this one wall. I got this handy little kit to get us started. Ooh, this is nice. Big brush. What the? Oh, should I change? Yeah. The original paint color we got wasn't exactly the right color, so we had to go back and get it darker. Cool little trick for you: if you get the color and it's not exactly right, Home Depot will make it lighter or darker. They can't obviously change it that much, but it definitely made a huge difference. Once the paint was all dry, then I went in and stained the shelves to be a little bit darker and a little bit more rich, because obviously the wall is a little bit more of a rich tone. Now that the paint is all dry and the stain is all dry, I'm going to start bringing stuff back in. So I started with just my two glass soap dispensers, one for each sink, and a wooden tissue box. I have this pretty small gold frame, and I just did a little line drawing, and I hung that up on the wall along with some dried eucalyptus, because it's just a nice little touch of greenery and it makes your bathroom smell good. Then I had my boyfriend come in and put the mirrors back up on the wall. The screws were already in the wall, we just painted over them, so that way we could make the room look much bigger and obviously get ready in the morning. I added a brown candle to the center to keep it clean, but also to add some mood lighting. Then I moved on to the shelf area. I started with a basket for extra storage behind the toilet, and I liked the wicker. Then I added 2 soap bottles that matched the same glass as the candle. I put a plant in the middle to add some greenery, and a little basket that I can store tampons or whatever else you would want. Then I added a wooden brush and a little comb just because they're beautiful and why not. And then I added my perfume bottle for easy access and also because perfume bottles are so beautiful. And lastly, I put on a little dish to put my jewelry in that I used in my last video, but I just moved it over here so I can throw on accessories in the morning when I'm getting ready. Then I added a wooden trash can that's open without a lid so that it's easier to throw things away, and I went in with my little rugs. Now, I'm obsessed with these. I have the big one in my living room, as I said before, and the runner that I had initially bought just was way too long because I didn't measure before, but I actually like the 2 next to each other because there's 2 sinks, so 1 for each person. I added 2 towels that were this beautiful green shade. It complements the rug really well, and it also matches the green in the picture that's hung above. That picture I put in my last bathroom makeover, and I think it just really complements the room. And to keep it nice and simple, I went in with a white bath mat because I didn't want too many colors or too much going on. Alright, so that's how the bathroom turned out. I love it. I think that before the bathroom was cute, it was girly, it was fun, but like nothing special, and now it's sophisticated, it's elegant, it's bohemian. I love it. I can see it from my bedroom when I'm laying in bed, and I'm obsessed. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it watching this process as much as I had fun doing it. Obviously, I'm lucky enough to live in a space that was newly renovated, so I have really nice countertops and floors. But if you want to redesign your bathroom and do a little makeover, you can do everything that we did in this video today, and also just go on Amazon and find some contact paper. They have marble, they have tile, they have brick, they have any type of design that you want, and you can just put that right over your counter, right over your floors. You can make a backsplash, and if you add that with everything we did in today's video, then I guarantee you your bathroom will be looking amazing as well. Do that accent wall, put some shelves up, they're so easy, and hopefully you guys like my bathroom as much as I do. As always, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit subscribe down below to see more of me, and that bell icon to get notified every time I post. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye, peaches!